Hey, good day. How are you doing, everybody? Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for the thumbs up. Merci beaucoup d'être là. C'est la saison numéro 2. This is our second season. Yes, second season. We already produced 11 video and published 11 video. Now on season number 2, I'll be bilingual. I'll speak French, speak English. Bear with me. Alors, pour la deuxième saison, on va parler français et anglais. One other veggie that we can have on the grill, it's a potato. And the potato are sliced using the mandoline. To grill potato, pour avoir des patates sur le grill, je prends de l'huile d'olive et je saupoudre quelque chose qui s'appelle Montreal Steak Spice. Alors, il y a une petite histoire derrière de Montreal Steak Spice. There's a story behind Montreal Steak Spice. I was living in Montreal. I'm born in Montreal, living in Montreal, in the Côte-des-Neiges neighborhood. There was a store in the shopping mall called Spices of the World. I believe the name was like that. And in the store there was a mix of spices called steak spice. And we were buying this mixture called steak spices in Montreal from that little boutique. And one day, and the cost was like ridiculous, like $1.99 a pound. Alors, on achetait ce mélange d'assaisonnement à la boutique d'herbes et d'épices dans le quartier Côte-des-Neiges à Montréal. Alors, on achetait ça pour $1,99 la livre. Et un jour, la boutique a fermé, sans savoir pourquoi. Et quelques semaines plus tard, on a découvert Montreal Steak Spice. C'est le même mélange. Ce sont les mêmes ingrédients, c'est la même saveur. Et le monsieur a fermé sa boutique. Je pense qu'il y a eu une entente avec McCormick qui l'a rendu indépendant financièrement. Mais ce mélange est absolument délicieux. Alors je saupoudre. I put that on the potato like this. And I'm going to bake that. And I'm going to put that on the grill like that and cook that nicely. And at the end of the process, the potato will be somewhat like French fry. They will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So let's see what the result is. Here you have your potato. They are golden on the top. They are really cooked. There are some bubbles showing that it has been cooked completely. And you can serve that as a complement to your dish. So these are the potato.